Going like this, I'm like, I'm done. Oh, I think you're doing me a khaki one-handed. Huh? Okay. Oh, shit.
Zach.
You're up next.
One hell of a fucking workout,
man.
man.
Shoulders are both shot. I got Susie in this one. Oh, and it's floor.
Really?
What surgery?
Rotator cuff?
Not labrum. Where's the rotator cuff?
Yeah, I got my.
There's a labrum.
I got my collarbone.
I don't know.
Yo, see this scar?
I don't know. Not labrum.
Pigeon. See this? Collarbone. Got plate and 6 screws in there. Ouch.
Dude, I'm weighing.
You hold the 2 ones up there.
That was like the worst ever.
You going now?
How'd you hurt yourself?
How'd you hurt yourself? Wrestling.
Oh, man. Yeah, I got it all on camera, bitch.